So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to watch TeaTV on Android TV, Realme, OnePlus, etc. So method first is install TeaTV directly on Android TV. Turn on your Android TV and connect it to the internet. Navigate to setting, then security and restrictions or device preference and security. Enable install unknown apps or unknown sources for your browser or file manager. Then download the TeaTV APK using a web browser on your TV or the downloader app from the Google Play Store. Open the downloaded APK file, select install and wait for the installation to finish. Launch TeaTV from your apps menu and start watching. Second method is install via USB drive. Download the TeaTV APK on a PC or phone. Copy the APK to a USB drive. Connect the USB drive to your Android TV. Open a file manager on the TV. Locate the APK and select install. If prompted, allow installation from unknown sources. Open TeaTV after installation. Thanks for watching.